Hi guys, good morning everybody and welcome to Learn English by Azim sir. Today I'm super excited. I'm too much happy. I can't tell you that how much I'm happy. That but Anyway, thank you so much for giving me such respect, such love, and such I have also a lot of love for all of you guys. Whoever is watching to me, is brothers, sisters, and fathers, uncles, whoever. I love you guys. I love you so much. By the way, today I'm not gonna teach you anything, not anything, but I'm gonna teach you about us grammar, structure, and vocabulary. But today I'm gonna tell you something which is very important, and a lot of us students looking for it everywhere, but they are not getting answer it. And a lot of us students asking to me that why don't you, sir, why don't you give me some tips of spoken English that I can improve, and how to speak English confidently and fluently. I don't have idea about it. I'm just learning, I'm just practicing, and I'm just working hard in English, but my English is not improving. What is the problem? Where is the problem? But guys, don't worry about it. I'm here, and I'm gonna help you, all of you guys. And today I'm gonna give you the 7 tips that which is very important. Sometimes ago I told you that. And the first thing is that don't be afraid to make mistake. Listen carefully. Again, I'm gonna repeat it, that don't be afraid to make mistake. What is that meaning? That the problem is that, where is the problem, that if anybody try to speak and if they make any mistake, like in preposition, in grammar, in a structure, words, and they start to hating himself, and they start to pulling himself, and they start to regretting, and thus judging their self. So the first of all, you stop to judging yourself, stop to feeling bad yourself. And if you will not feel comfortable, if you will not feel good yourself, then you can't learn English. So please guys, please, I request you that you stop doing all these things. That, and guys, the mistake make us strong, mistake give us confidence, and mistake make correctly. Sometimes we are strong, but the mistake, after making any mistake, I improve that, I correct that, and from the next time I don't do that right now. So first of all, the tips number 1, that please don't be afraid to make mistake. I means, if you are making any mistake, you stop to thinking about it, and it's a great opportunity to learning and going ahead in your life. If you will not make any mistake, you cannot be perfect guy. So sometimes to making mistake, it's a great lesson, and we can learn so many things after making mistake. But we have to check it, we have to check out it, and write down where are you making mistake, and write it down on your notebooks, and you try to learn again, you try to remember that, and try to correct that, and try to improve that. From the next times, if you are anywhere and you try to speak anywhere, you try to give your speech, deliver your speech, and try to do anything, but before to going anywhere and doing these all things, you make sure about it, that how I am, I'm good or not, I'm all right or not, just make you sure. So from right now, stop to making mistake. Not, you do mistake, you make mistake, but don't think about it and don't take it seriously, because if you're not gonna make any mistake, then you're not perfect. Nobody can be perfect. If they make mistake, everybody's making mistake. But what is the solution of the making the mistake? That you have to correct yourself, and you have to learn again and again that things, and improve and correct that things, and from the next time you be better, and you do that better, and you perform good. And the second thing is that practice. The second thing, the practice. everybody is suggesting you, everybody's, and you must be hearing all about this, that practice make you perfect. This is absolutely right, guys. Absolutely, I'm agree about it, and 100% I'm agree. That's the practice, one of the most important, and practice can help you a lot to improving English and learning in communication skills. So the more you practice, the more you learn. So please, guys, start to practicing, like talk to yourself, talk to students, talk to teacher, and make a students friends, and try to talk and practice. If you're not practicing, you can't speak English, you can't learn speak English. There is a one solution, there is a one method to learning speaking English, that is a practice. It is the English spoken depend on practicing. On which things depend? Practicing. So start practicing is a very important, guys. And the third numbers, I'm going to talk about the listen. What is that? Listen. You know, if you have the bad understanding to listening understanding, then improve that. And if you're not listening anybody's, and if you're not, and one more things, that record your voice yourself, and just listen again and again and again and again, and try to find it where I'm making mistake. Is there any mispronunciation, structures, words, and grammars, and how I'm am I getting confidence or not? Am I getting where I'm getting more hesitation, and where I'm sticking, where I'm getting more problem, where I'm not getting comfortable on which words, on which sentence. Record yourself and just play and listen again and again and again. The first things you have to do that, you have to do it. And the second things, that you listen to others, because you listen, it means you observing, you are learning. You are listening means you are giving attention on their speech, their words, and those things you are observing, and those words you are hearing and again and again and again, and your English would be better. So listen is the most important also. And the third number is the fourth number is celebrate success. And one more important things which I'm gonna tell you, that celebrate success. What is this? Celebrate success means whatever you are learning and you are getting success in yourself, just celebrate yourself, that you celebrate that success. Suppose that I learned some words, let me enjoy that words, let me use those words, and let me talk with someone those words, and let me feel better, and let me speak and again, and let me celebrate to for the remembering and learning those words. So whatever you're getting in your life, you start to celebrate the success. If you will celebrate your success, you will feel better, you will feel proud, and you will feel amazing. And from the next times, you feel like to celebrate more and more. So just you celebrate whatever you're learning, and whatever you're getting success in your life, celebrate yourself those things. And the fifth thing is that, which is the very important, these things to think in English. Guys, what we are doing, that's we don't think in English. If anybody try to speak English and try to learn English, and they never think in English, don't do that, guys. Think in English, because if you will think, it means you are talking yourself and thinking, and you're imagining, and you're making the story in your mind. So think yourself and think in English. Whatever, suppose that today I'm thinking something, that I want to build a house, I want to buy a car, and I will earn 1 crore monies, and I will buy BMW, so many things, and I will go to a restaurant, hostel, I will have biryani, chicken biryani, mutton biryani, and so many, and I will go to with friend, I will take my all friend restaurant, and I will provide their breakfast, lunch, and they will respect me, they will give me they will love me, they will think that I'm a great and I'm a rich person, and I made my life beautiful. Just you think like that, okay? Whatever you have done in your previous day, you try to think in English, you try to think in English, never translate. First you think in English and then you're translating in English. Don't make that mistake, just think in English, okay? And the sixth numbers is that talk to yourself. You know, you might be hearing about this thing, that talk to yourself. This is the most important things, guys, that talk to yourself. I know that if you're gonna talk yourself, the lot of people will look at you and they will judge you, and they will tell you, comment on you, that they got crazy, they become crazy, they look at he's talking himself and there's being crazy. Guys, don't worry about that. You know, I don't have to see, I don't want to see anyone's what are they telling to me. I need to look at myself, I need to understand myself. I can understand what I'm doing. If I'm talking in English myself, nobody's here, and if anyone's looking at me and they are judging, start to judging, oh look at that guy, he's really got crazy, he's speaking himself, and oh my god, I know that everybody think about it and they will think he got crazy, but this is not joking, guys, which I'm telling you seriously, that you know, I stopped thinking about it, and stop the thinking about other guys, stop thinking yourself what you want to do. So please try to talk yourself, okay? If you will talk yourself, you talk yourself and you listen yourself, and you find it the mistake and you correct that mistakes, right? And the last thing is the tongue twister. Tongue twister, like, you know, if your pronunciation is very bad, okay, you are not able to pronounce in correct and very good. I'm also not very good in pronunciation. No one is perfect in their life. Don't think about it, I have to be 100% perfect. Just forget about it. If you are thinking it, then just forget, you're wrong. Nobody can be 100% perfect in their life. So whether he is a doctor, scientist, you know, rich persons, businessman, nobody is perfect in their life 100%. So don't dream about it, okay? Try to be perfect 60, 20%, 80%. That's enough for our lives. So tongue twister, I was talking about the tongue twister, that if you are not able to speak fluently and you know, well, then please, you know, you search in Google's tongue twister and you will find a lot of tongue twister. Download it and try to tongue twister, because tongue twister, if you will try to speak and try to record yourself and tongue twister, because tongue twister would be little bit tricky and like hard pronunciation and long words, and you know, very hard to readings. So if you will try again and again, it will be very easy for you guys. So please do it, okay? So I told you about the 7 tips of spoken English. I hope that you can get the benefit, you can learn English in very soon, very short times. And I'm here, and don't worry guys, you know, I will keep guiding you, and I will keep telling about the tips and about the spoken grammar structure, whatever. So I will tell you each and everything. And please, you know, if you're really in English, then please, you know, do practice, talk to yourself, think in English, and listen to yourself, and you know, don't be afraid to make mistake. All these things, please keep in your mind. These all things keep in your mind and try to do all these things. I hope that your English would be fantastic, very better. And you know, I wanted to tell you about it because a lot of people is requesting me about it, that please, sir, give me some tips, give me some tips. And finally I just I gave you such uh, tips, and please you utilize and use all these tips. I believe me, I also did all these things because English, it's a very easy and it's a very fun language, but we have to take it in an easy way, like you have to give a lot of times, because if you're not giving times, you can't be perfect at English, you can't learn easily, and it will take a lot of times. So seriously, you have to be serious, and you have to give some times, 5 to 6 hours in a day. And just keep learning. And I will keep supporting you and motivating you and teaching you guys. So I'm always with you guys, and thank you so much, guys, to loving me and giving me such respect. Really, I can't imagine that the people would love me so much and respect me, and they will give me such love. So thank you so much, and I also love all of you guys. And for today it is enough. And before to ending this videos, please, if you are new, and please you subscribe my channel and like and share this video with your friend. And please, I request you that subscribe my channel. Okay, so for now, bye guys, have a good day, and see you later. I'm gonna meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye guys, see you later.